So Marico has entered into one more category, and that's the noodles category under the Saffola brand. So overall, this category which they've launched into and come into has is a very comparable price point to its competitors as well, whether you see Nestle or ITC, and obviously it will compete with Nestle and ITC, which are the top two players in this instant noodles brand. Nestle obviously is the market leader, and they've not lost much market share even in the past. It's going to be tough, and it'll be interesting to see how Marico Noodles actually fares in this market. Now, noodles is a significantly large category which Marico has entered into compared to its previous categories like honey and chywanprash, which they have entered into in the food business. Marico's noodles have been priced at this currently the pricing is the smallest SKU is lower than Nestle's premium variant as well. So that is very, very interesting, and a very, very good and comparable price point is what they've entered into compared to Nestle's products. That's Nestle's Maggi. So overall, let's talk about the instant noodle space. Now, Maggi's overall instant noodle is according to reports, it suggests it's a 5,000 crore market currently, but while in 2035 it's expected to grow 4.5 times of the current rate. So the growth rate and the capacity for growth is further very high for this noodles space, and that is very interesting. Now, Marico's food business has done quite well even in the past couple of quarters. Whether you look at it in the quarter 2, it was around 50 to 55%. Quarter 3 was around 70 to 75% growth that we're seeing that came in the foods business. Now, if you look at it, according to it, the reports, it suggested that they are introducing 3 SKU sizes for this Saffola noodles, and obviously very comparable price points to the premium product as well. Now, if you're going to see Maggi's overall Maggi sales, that is instant noodles, which is a market leader, that is Nestle, has grown. The sales have grown overall faster than Nestle's overall sales as well. During this lockdown period, especially, Maggi sales were up by 25%. So this is a very hot space, interesting space that Marico has entered into as well. But will they be able to get the market share from Nestle or from other companies? Will be interesting to see. Nestle does have is the market leader, has the most of the chunk of the market share as well. And it is an interesting play that will come out for Marico in its food business as well. Now, further on, we have seen a lot of aggression also coming in the packaged food segment, like honey, like I mentioned, chywanprash, and now noodles. So very, very interesting. And they do have, a positive side because they are marketing it as a healthy brand. But Maggi also had healthy noodles. So Maggi also does have that variant of atta noodles, etc., which is already there. So that is going to be something that we're going to watch out for in terms of competition from both these players. How is it going to be there? And obviously, Maggi is the market leader, so it will be tough to get some market share from any of the leaders which are existing and other top 2 players as well. Let's keep an eye out on Marico and Saffola noodles. What are they actually going to be doing, and how is it going to be performing in the market going forward for Marico?